Question 3. A delivery company has a total of 180 cars and vans. So that 180 is not just cars, it's both cars and vans. As a ratio, the number of cars to the number of vans, so the number of cars is first in the ratio, vans is second, is equal to 3 to 7. So our ratio of cars to vans is 3 to 7. So that would be cars and vans. Okay, you can see our ratio has 10 parts there, 3 parts here, 7 parts here. So those 10 parts must equal 180 in total, because the total number of cars and vans is 180. Let's read the rest of the question before I continue. Each car and van uses electricity or diesel or petrol. 1/6 of the cars use electricity. So I need to know how many cars there are to be able to use that information. 50% of the cars use diesel, the rest of the cars use petrol. Work out the number of cars that use petrol. So really I'm interested in just in the number of cars so that I can answer the question. So 180 vehicles in total, 10 parts in total, which means that it's 18 vehicles per part. And because I'm interested in the cars, I'm just going to fill in the cars here. So you can see here we have 3 lots of 18 vehicles that are cars, and that multiplication gets to 54. So we have 54 cars. 1/6 of the cars use electricity. So 1/6 of 54 cars use electricity. It's of the cars, so I'm just using that 54 there. 1/6 of 54. 54 divided by 6 equals 9. 50% of the cars, again 50% of the cars, so it's 50% of your 54 cars is the number of cars that use diesel. So 50% of 54 is 27. The rest use petrol. Work out the number of cars that use petrol. So if we have 27 that use diesel, 9 that use electricity, that's 36 in total. 54, take away that 36, and we should get to 18 cars in total that use petrol. So we should get a mark for correctly identifying 18, a mark for identifying 54 cars in total, 1 mark for identifying either 9 or 27, 1 mark for a correct process to then get to the 18, so by either adding up the 27 and the 9 and subtracting it from 54, or by doing 54 subtract 27 subtract 9, and then 1 mark for getting to the correct answer.